Hello. You like dice? So this set all started when a friend showed me some resin art they did. I won't show it because that's their art, but it essentially boils down to a transparent blue disc with bright red spots. It looked good. She told me she made it by putting mica powder on top of resin before pouring it. Sounding similar enough to a dirty pour, I wanted to give it a go, so I set up the camera to record the pour. But that camera sucks ass and looks horrible, so you have to excuse the poor video quality. It's fine. It's not like I uploaded this footage to TikTok and it became my most watched video or anything. After doing some creative thinking, I decided on two base colours. A transparent blue like the inspiration, but I also wanted a transparent red, alongside putting some gold flakes into it. The long and the short of why is my red mica is kind of pink. It's a rose gold. So I thought the mix of the colours would help the powder pop a little bit more. After doing the pour, you can see it turn out amazingly. This one turned out amazingly. I made a slight mistake. Normally with dirty pour, I only put one load of ink on top of resin before I pour. This dilutes the ink as I go along the pour, creating a faded look across all the dice that I quite like. But because mica powder's thick, heavy, and doesn't spread the same way that ink does, I ran out of mica. Because mica powder doesn't behave like a liquid, I ran out of mica before the end of the pour. So you can see the dice still look good, but they're not mica-y like the big dice. Is that a word? I think they still look good. And after inking with gold, this set's finished. I'm on to the beauty shots.